everybody, it's Michelle again, and I am back to share with you kind of my finished simplified junk journal that I did as a design team project for Country Craft Creations. And this was shown in one of my last videos where I was doing a traveler's notebook insert with a folder, and then I was showing just some simplified ways to do a junk journal. And I thought I would come back and share with you how I kind of finished it. And I still left it pretty plain because I want to be able to go back and actually add things to it, you know, such as writing and pictures and other things. But I did go back and decorate it a little bit, and I just wanted to share it with you really super quick. So this was using scraps from my Simple Stories, Simple Ancestry design team package that I had received a while ago, and I had some scraps left, and I love this project, or this paper, excuse me, so much that I actually bought a whole bunch more. So I had quite a few scraps to work with, but I just wanted to show you what I did. So on the front, I was talking about using a journaling card as the cover of your journal, as kind of the title piece. And so I just backed it on a piece of the pattern paper, and then I used a ribbon out of my stash and just wrapped it around for the closure to this album. It's really a super simple way to do this, and it just ties with a simple bow. And then I went through my stash, and I had these little pockets here that I have had forever and a day, and I think they were by, who were they by? KI. I've had them forever. And I went through my stickers from the paper collection, and I just, put them in different spots. Now, these pockets had sticky backs on them, so I couldn't do them, as a pocket themselves, as far as like maybe putting something behind them. But they do have a nice pocket here. So then I went through my stash of, miscellaneous journal cards and things that I have had for years and years and years that I kind of keep, and now tend to use them in kind of these little junk journal pamphlets that I do. I use stickers here. I'm just going to real quick go through, added, that one didn't stick very well. I might have to go back and fix that, but I added a sticker down here, and it just gave it a little bit of more color. This was a cut apart from, I want some scrapbook paper that I had, and I just thought it was fun. So I spent one day just cutting scrapbook papers in different, cards and things so that I could use them for, journaling purposes and stuff. So I did the same thing there. Another pocket, another sticker, another cluster of stickers. This is a library pocket that I actually just kind of stacked on itself, and it came with library cards, and I did it so that it was a nice long pocket. And then this is just a round, simple stitched pamphlet book that I had made and kept in my stash ready to kind of throw into a journal. So I have that in there as well. More stickers. Now this I wanted to show you because this was actually left over from cutting the cover in my original tutorial. This was the, I cut this at 9 inches, so this is the last 3 inches. So what I did, when you stitch a pamphlet journal like this, I had enough room between the two stitches where I thought, well, this would be kind of fun. So I folded it in half. I made a tag, I used a tag punch on it, and then you just kind of slide it wherever you want it underneath. And if I can find the other end of it, which would be right here, you can slide it in between the stitches, and then that's kind of a simple way to add a few more things to your book. So I wanted to share that too. So now I have, this particular page that I can use. Again, more stickers, and some pages I left plain. More stickers, more stickers. Just wanted to do a quick flip through to show you, even just adding a few stickers actually kind of really makes it pop. And then going through your stash for different elements can complete this to where now I have a lot of ample opportunity to do journaling. I have lots of space to still add things, pictures, whatever I want. I added these hidden paper clips that I had made a long time ago onto some of the pages, and then I just put a couple of the journal cards that were left over from the collection underneath them. Let's see, here's another one of the tag pieces that I used. I just put it right in the middle, right under there, so you can kind of see how that works. It's not, you know, too wide where I could just slide it underneath and just have another little element to my book. This is a pocket here, like a paper bag pocket that I had in my stash, and I used it to do some more of these kind of fussy cut pieces that I had from a paper collection, but then I did it so that you could put a tag behind it. And these again are just all stuff in my, I just raided my stash. Another hidden paper clip that I made, and on the back of that, again, another fussy cut piece from the design team package from Simple Stories. So I just added that. More stickers. This is the envelope pocket. I have this old bingo card, and I don't know if you can see, but somebody actually wrote on it. I got this. This is a vintage one that I got in a vintage store, and I've had it in my stash. Just threw that in there. I thought it was really kind of cool. Another postcard, you know, cut apart piece that I have. More stickers. On this one, there's a sticker that is a tab, so I put that on each side of that, and then pretty much left that plain. Alphabet stickers, you can put whatever you want on your pages. Another sticker. Here's a pocket that I put sideways for a tag, just for different interest, and added a sticker to that. And then here we have another library pocket, and I just put a tag back there. Other side of that, more stickers. So you can see just a little bit of added extra can make a huge difference. So, oh, this is a graphic 45 tag that fit perfectly in that little paper bag pocket. And then this is another paper bag that was a page, another cut apart from a paper collection. Have no idea where it's from. Had it forever and ever. Another postcard. More pages, another library card. This is a tag from Prima that came in a big, like, tablet, and they're all the same, but they were perfect. I picked them up because they're perfect to add into a junk journal. Another library pocket, more stickers. So that's pretty much my simplified junk journal, and it's a really good way to use up extra papers. This would be gorgeous with any of the paper collections. It's at Country Craft Creations. Make a beautiful, just real quick, nice junk journal pamphlet. And then if you made, you know, a couple of these, you could actually bind them into a bigger journal if you wanted to. But I just wanted to share it. That's all I wanted to do. So I hope it gives you ideas, and I hope it helps you use up some of your paper collections. And I thank you for watching. Have a really good day. I'll see you soon with another tutorial. Bye-bye.